Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making rotisserie chicken nachos. So easy and so good. So let's do what we do and make it happen. Here I have my favorite rotisserie chicken from a grocery store called Vons. It's a habanero and mango rotisserie chicken. It's very flavorful, but it's not really all that hot. So don't be scared by the name. We're going to remove the skin, which is where most of the sauce is, and break it up into bite-sized pieces. Nothing to it. We're getting into some more prep. I've sliced the lime, which is going to add some brightness to our nachos. Next, we're going to chop some clean cilantro, and we're going to set that aside. If you don't like cilantro, use some parsley or nothing at all. It's your kitchen, do what you want. We're using this nice cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese blend for our cheesy goodness. So here's our lineup: cilantro, limes, sour cream, salsa, corn, guacamole, rotisserie chicken, and cheese. We're also going to need some tortilla chips, of course. Now will be a good time to preheat our broiler. If you find value in my videos, subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Now let's put our nachos together, fam. We have a baking dish and we're going to add a layer of tortilla chips. Next, some chicken, then corn, and finally our cheese. Then we're going to repeat with another layer of tortilla chips, chicken, corn, and cheese. We're going to get these guys into our oven. Grab Chef Kendra's kitchen cookbook. The link is high up in the description below. Finish the video first, then go buy the book, son. Oh, look at that. Now we're going to finish our nachos off with some salsa, guacamole, sour cream, limes, and cilantro. And Bob's your uncle. I have a video where I make salsa, guacamole, and even cheese sauce from scratch. If you're interested, I'll link in the description. For this and more of my recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. Yo, that's it for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.